The young blacksmith Ardok sat with his head bowed in his small, unadorned forge on the outskirts of the city of Ulter, staring listlessly for hours at the faintly blazing hearth before him. It had once filled him with great pride and deep fulfillment to be the apprentice of the legendary master Finnick, crafting the finest and most elaborate swords and armor in the entire kingdom of Turun. But since the sudden and much too early death of his highly esteemed master and mentor a year ago, Ardok's inner creative fire seemed to have been completely extinguished. Without Master Finnick's wise coaching, his encouraging words, and the fascination for the high art of forging that he had awakened in Ardok, the young man now lacked all drive and inspiration. Follow the link in the description for the full story.